How to edit audio levels in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the app on your device to start editing your video's audio. Next, head over to the Studio tab at the bottom of the screen and select the video you want to work on from your media library. Tap on the chosen video to open it in the editor. Then press the edit button to access the editing tools. Now look for the volume option to manage the sound levels in your video. Inside the audio settings, you will find controls for both the background music and the original video audio. Here you will see controls that allow you to adjust the volume levels separately for both the background music and your video's original sound. You will notice 3 different volume options available: mute, mix, and boost. Choose the one that best fits your audio needs and preferences. Take your time to preview the video after adjusting the levels, making sure the audio sounds clear and balanced according to your preference. Once you are happy with the audio mix, tap Save to apply the changes and finalize your video. Now you know how to edit audio levels in GoPro Quik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.